Time to hang the clothes.
Yay! Clothes!
This is the clothesline.
It's the clothesline!
It's long, long.
So many clothes! Clothes! Socks!
Clip it like this.
I can do it!
Good job!
Sock!
Clip it, George. Clip.
Clip! It's funny!
That's okay. One pin here.
Clip, clip.
Clip, clip! Their dance! Yeah! Dance!
Let's do it together.
1, 2.
2!
Perfect. We did it.
Hey!
We did it.
All done! Empty! Empty! Oh, silly sock! Careful, George! Look, Peppa! 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 Listen! I hear something!
A monster!
We should investigate! Yes! 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 A friendly monster! It's too dark to see. I have a light.
Let's see what's down there.
It's a frog. It was just a little frog. A frog monster. Wow, Zozo! This garden is so big and colorful.
Yes, Peppa. I can see flowers everywhere. Let's look carefully at the ground.
Okay, I think something is moving.
Peppa, it's a tiny ant. Hello, little ant. You are very busy.
Look how small it is.
And it works so hard. Peppa, look up there.
Oh,
I see a spider web.
the spider is making its home.
That looks very clever.
Huh? What is that wiggling? It's a worm coming out to say hello. Hello, little worm. Don't be scared. It moves in a funny way. Wow! Something is flying! It's a beautiful butterfly. Its wings are so pretty.
I love the colors.
Goodbye, butterfly.
Fly slowly and safely.
I like watching little animals. Me too. They are very friendly.
The garden is full of little friends. Yes, friends everywhere. Gardens are fun to explore.
And fun to learn.
Let's visit the garden again. Yes. See you, little friends.
Today we plant roses.
Roses?
For Mummy.
The soil is soft. We picked it perfect for flowers.
Perfect for flowers.
Dig, dig.
I want to try.
Peppa want dig? Like this? Yes.
Great job. It's pretty.
Hey, like is saying something like tea pretty.
Very pretty. Careful now.
Gentle. Pat, pat.
Nice and snug. Water time.
Not too much. Drink, flower.
Well done.
It's growing.
Soon it will bloom.
Mommy.
Come see.
Hello.
Come see.
Hello.
Roses?
For you.
For you, a surprise.
I love them. Yay.
Happy me Mummy Day.
Thank you both.
Huh? What's that sound?
There's something under my bed. Peppa! There's something under my bed.
What's wrong, George?
I'll go with you. I'm a bit scared. Me too, just a little. I don't see anything under the bed.
Did you hear that?
Let's go get Daddy! Daddy! There's a noise under George's bed.
Oh?
Let Daddy take a look.
Don't worry. Daddy's here. I see it. It's just a wind-up toy car.
So it wasn't a monster!
Night.
Good night, Daddy.
Good night, Daddy.
Ready for space? Super ready!
Super ready. Blast off button. Press gently.
Up we go! Whee! So beautiful. Super shiny. I'm flying! Dance time! Super dance! Slow and steady. Super dodge. Oops. Going and... Wrong turn.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Left button.
Left button.
Got it. Home time.
Mission complete.
Mission complete. Hello, planet.
How's adventure?
So friendly. So fast. Hold tight. Nice landing. Super smooth. That was fun. That was
Best space trip ever.
Let's go, Pin Pin. Yep, Pin Pin. Wait. Pin Pin, where are you? Pin Pin? Maybe he's here. Oh no! Pin Pin! Can you hear me? Pin Pin, I found you.
Woof! The supermarket.
Shopping!
Ready, everyone? Let's get school things.
Yes! Stay close. Look at the bags. Big bag. Choose one. I like this one. Dinosaur. Pencils for school. Pretty colors. Crayons. I'll write my name. Open. Close. New school clothes. I like them. Shoes. Fit. Perfect. Very good. Lunchtime. Yay! Juice. One each. We got everything. Full.
Time to pay.
Beep, beep, beep.
School is ready. Well done. I'm excited.
Me too.
It will be fun.
My new bag. Dinosaur bag.
Happy school year.
Yay!
Let's go home.
I'm drawing a crab. A crab with a very big mouth. Big mouth! So funny! I'll put it right here. Good night, crab! Good night! Sweet dreams! Huh? Huh? Something is moving. Oh!
Please don't chase me. I'm just dreaming.
Help!
Big mouth crab.
Stop following me! It was a dream. The crab is still here. Just a picture.
Peppa, did you have a funny dream? There was a very big crab.
I dreamed my crab came alive.
Silly dreams can feel very real. You're safe.
Safe.
No crabs here.